Hey preppers in YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about an upgrade I made, and this will go more towards ham radio operators. We all know the importance of having tools for SHTF. When the poop hits the propeller, we need to repair stuff. That's just the way things are. So having tools is a necessity. Well, for ham radio operators, those tools are a little bit different in some cases. Even once you get everything set up and it's running and you think everything's fine, connectors fail because they're outside connected to antennas. Antenna leads can fail. There's lots of things that need to be resoldered on a fairly regular basis, actually. And up until now, I've been using this butane-powered soldering iron. And it works all right. I've done lots of outdoor repairs, but the problem is butane is going to become scarce when the poop hits the propeller. You can't produce butane on your own, but you can produce electricity. Now, using a 110 volt soldering iron out in the middle of nowhere, you probably don't want to drag the equipment around that you'd need to actually power that thing. At minimum, you'd need a portable power pack, and those things are weighing 30, 40, 50 pounds with a battery in them and all that. Not exactly convenient to run around with. If only there was a rechargeable version, a cordless version of a soldering iron that you can go out and make repairs with. Well, turns out there is, and here it is. This one came off of Amazon. It's 2500 watt. Comes with USB-C recharging cable right there. I gotta stop putting stuff in front of the camera. It buggers up my focus. And a stand. Now the stand has a metal insert in it so that you can put the soldering iron in it while it's hot and not worry about it burning up the stand. And it also has the sponge for tip cleaning in it, which is really handy and convenient. Easy to recharge. 5 volts is all it takes. Now, the smallest of solar system is going to have one of those, and I didn't bring it out to show you, but it'll have one of those charge controllers probably that has 2 USB ports on it. You can use that to charge it up. Your car probably has a 5 volt outlet in it, or if not, it's got a 12 volt that you can stick an adapter into it and charge it that way. Or anyway, any kind of solar system is going to be able to produce enough electricity to charge something like this up. Obviously, this will have to go into an EMP protected bag, which it will. It just came in, so I'm just showing you now. When you turn it on, it does have a little LED light on it to help you see your work, which is really convenient. Also got a charge indicator on it. You can see this one's been completely charged all the way up. On-off switch, and away you go. So that's one upgrade that I've done, and I'm really trying to work my way away from fuel-based things like this. There are certain things that I just won't sacrifice on. I mean, I'm going to need gas for a generator. I will need gas for my vehicles. I will need gas for a chainsaw. Although an electric chainsaw isn't a bad idea either, especially a rechargeable one like they have now. I think rechargeable tools are the way preppers really should be going. So that's the upgrade I made from butane model like that, which has served me well. I've had this one at least 10 years. I haven't even replaced a tip on it yet, and I do use it. But I've upgraded to this one, a rechargeable, USB rechargeable soldering iron. Extremely handy. It's going in an EMP proof bag, and time to get my preps a little bit more in order, given, you know, the current state of affairs of the world. In any case, as always, be prepared, Canada. It's a tough world out there.